So, we got a short and simple one today. Package from Z1 came in, and in it I got a new wiper delete because this paint match one that I have, it's awesome. I love the way it looks, but don't know if you can tell, I didn't exactly prep it the right way, so it's sort of rust. So I picked up one of these. We've also got some new LED tag lights, because these ones that I've got down here are a little bit dusty looking. Let's go ahead and flip these on so we can get a before. So that's what they're like now. Let me get the lights. They're not bad. They're not faulty or anything, but I figured might as well just upgrade. Plus these were only like 30 bucks, so might as well. I think we will start by turning these off and crack this bad boy open. I'll give it a shot at least. Yesterday I checked that one to see if it was rusty, so I already went ahead and pulled out my rear hatch interior. Make things a little bit easier. I might need to reinstall the wiper motor for this to work. I'm hoping I can just stick it in there and be good though. Because when I installed this one here, I had to take out my wiper motor, as you can see. I put tape over it because I had a feeling that the water was gonna get through that, and I was right. So we'll take that off. As you can see, slight bit rusty in there. Ooh, yep. A little bit rusty. So that one will not rust because it's not metal. So I will be hanging on to this though. The paint match was definitely the move as far as looks go, but take our new and improved. Okay, I see how this works. Would you look at that? It's even got a little rubber gasket to make sure that water doesn't get through. I thought about trying to maybe paint this white, but I don't really know. The white or the black might just look fine. So let's just get that in there. Tighten her up. And there we go. Got a big black ugly one now, but at least it won't leak. And the hardest part of this is probably getting your rear hatch interior off, which luckily I already did that. Putting it back on, not exactly the hardest part. And just kind of pop everything back into place. Like a car chiropractor. Okay. Sweet. That is settled. Now we are going to move on to our Morimoto tag lights. So I think with these, pretty sure, hold on. I think you can see up in there. It appears to be just one little push tab, which I'm going to hit with the flathead, and then it should pop out. Oh, don't even need a screwdriver. Okay. Finesse these down a little bit. That's a lot of dirt. Let me go ahead and, let's see, get this one. Ouch. There we go. Okay. So now we've got those hanging. Let's crack into these bad boys. I wish Morimoto made headlights for the 350 because otherwise I would have some. Okay. No instructions, no anything, just the way it should be. Okay. There's one. Here's the other. Okay. I think we give these a twist. Yep. Good lord, that's a lot of dirt. Maybe wear gloves when you do this. Give them a twist. Whew, okay. I think we now need to take the bulbs off because, yeah, that looks like it's not gonna work otherwise. Oh, or wait. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do next is remove this entire bulb assembly, I believe. Question is, how do you do that? It's looking kind of like a push clip ordeal. Let me try and not destroy my paint doing this. Not sure how this is supposed to work. Okay, so getting that off was a little bit of a tricky process, but we got it done. You gotta stick your screwdriver head right there and then just kind of pry upward. I'm gonna do it on this other one real quick, which is hella dirty, but just stating that in case you can't see. Alrighty, here we go, round two. Got our screwdriver in there. Ooh, that one looks like it is trying to break. It's not what we want. Okay. Give it a bit of a pry down. Yep, there we go. Perfect. It should just pop in like that. There's one. Test it before I stick it back in.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, those are way brighter than the other ones. Sweet. So being a little difficult. There we go. There's that one. And then, man, it's dirty up there. This wire is not wanting to go back up in there nicely. Almost. There we go. Done.
There you go.
Flip them on one more time. Yep, that looks a lot cooler than it did before. So they were all yellow. Sweet. Well, that was easy. Yeah, that is that. Shut off the lights one more time. Oh, dude, that's so cool. That's gonna look awesome on the street. Yep. Crazy how much of the floor it lights up. behind the car. It's pretty sick. But I'm just gonna clean the dirt out and then I'll pull it outside and we'll see how it looks. Yep. It's like basically having underglow. Those things are so bright. Makes it look newer. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna get this dirt off the back and call it a day. The bugs are attracted to it, they're so bright. Looks pretty good. Worth the $30, I'd say.